Hello, my name is Michael with the Clearview Library District, and I'm here today with another Clearview Tech Tip. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and we will get started. So today I will be talking about one of our databases. So to get to our list of databases, you start out at clearviewlibrary.org. Hover your cursor over Explore, and then go down to Databases. And we have a ton of different databases here on various subjects. The one I'll be talking about today is Auto Repair Source. So this is car repair and maintenance information from most major manufacturers of domestic and imported vehicles. There's new repair procedures. They keep it very updated. And it's been created by certified technicians. So there's a lot of really great information here if you're into cars, car repair, rebuilding, whatever it is. If you're trying to figure out how to fix something, how to rebuild something, this is a great resource for you. So go ahead and click on Auto Repair Source, and you can sign in with your library card number. So I'm just gonna paste that in, and you hit sign in. There we go. Okay, so all you have to do across the top is select the year. So I'm going to choose one here. So year, we'll go 2015. Choose a Ford, an Edge SE. Then you select the engine. And what happens over here on the left side of the page is where all the information comes up. So we have airbags, air conditioning, battery replacement, etc. So if you click on that, I just clicked on battery replacement, and click on replacement procedures, and it will load a page in the middle that will give you graphics, figures, kind of how to. You click on the graphics, and it goes very in depth. So let's say you need to check out your brakes. You can click on brakes, general procedures, and it's going to get extremely in depth. So these are for people that are doing car repair that are trying to figure out a problem, and it's an excellent resource for really digging in deep about all of this stuff. As you can see, it has extremely accurate graphics you can look through, you can print them, and then you can select a new vehicle. So over here on the menu, you can go through your search history quickly. If you're looking at several cards, you can send feedback, you can get help, and then log out. So that's it for Auto Repair Source, and I hope you enjoyed today's Clearview Tech Tip. We'll see you next time.